All right, let's talk about AI. It's everywhere, right? In every headline, every meeting, but we're not going to get lost in the sci-fi stuff. Today, we're getting right to the point. What does AI actually mean for you, for your job, right here and now?
You've probably heard some version of this quote before. It kind of hits you, doesn't it? AI won't take your job, but someone using AI might. It's so powerful because it perfectly nails that anxiety we're all feeling. And just like that, it shifts the entire conversation. The threat isn't some robot overlord, it's just a person who's learned how to use a new tool better than you.
And that brings us really to the one question that's probably been nagging you. Is my job safe? It's a totally fair question. So let's actually dig into it. When we think about AI, it feels like we're standing at a fork in the road. On one side, you have the fear. You know, the fear of being replaced, of your skills becoming obsolete. But on the other side, that's where the reality is. And that reality is all about amplification and opportunity. Our whole goal here is to show you how to step out of that fear column and walk right into the reality column. So how do you do it? How do you make that leap? Well, it all starts with a really fundamental shift in how you think about it. We have to stop seeing AI as this big, scary threat and start seeing it for exactly what it is, a tool. And that right there is the key. The power isn't with the AI, not really. The power is with you, the person using it. It's all about making a choice to shift your energy from fearing this technology to actually learning how to wield it. And when you do that, what felt like a threat just becomes another skill in your toolbox. You know, once you really embrace AI as a tool, something amazing happens. That anxiety, it just starts to fade away. It stops being a source of stress and starts becoming a genuine asset. It becomes your new productivity superpower, a way to totally change the game for how you work.
So what does that superpower actually look like day to day? Well, it pretty much breaks down into three things. First, AI helps you get more done in way less time. It just automates all that tedious, repetitive grunt work that drains your will to live. Second, it helps you make way smarter decisions because it can find patterns in data that a human brain might just miss. And third, and this is the best part, it frees you up to focus on the stuff that only you can do, the creative thinking, the big picture strategy, the human stuff.
That all sounds great, but it's still a little abstract, right? So let's make it real. How does this actually apply in the real world, in your job? This is where it gets really exciting. Think about your field. If you're a writer, imagine having a brainstorming partner that never gets tired, that can help you smash through writer's block. For developers, think about it. It can handle all the boilerplate code and routine scripts, letting you focus on the complex architectural problems. Marketers? Man, you can analyze customer data in seconds and create campaigns so targeted they feel like magic. For teachers, wow, imagine creating a unique learning path for every single student in your class, something that's just physically impossible for one person to do. And if you're an entrepreneur, it's like having a co-founder that helps you model financials, test ideas, and just scale everything way faster. See? In every case, the AI isn't the star, it's the tool that makes the person doing the job even better. All these examples, they're all pointing to this one central idea. It's a philosophy, really, for not just surviving, but actually thriving. It's what we're calling the amplification mindset. And adopting this mindset is absolutely crucial for a very simple reason. In the professional world, there's a straight line between your productivity and your value. The more effective you are, the more you can produce, the more profitable you are to your company or your clients. By using AI to amplify your output, you're not just working smarter, you are directly increasing your own professional worth. It's that simple. So let's lock in this definition, because it's the whole point. Amplification. It's the process of using a tool like AI, not to replace who you are or what you do, but to enhance it, to supercharge your skills, making you more effective, more creative, and ultimately way more valuable. It's how you become the absolute best version of your professional self. So look, if you only remember one thing from all of this, let it be this. AI isn't replacing you, it's amplifying you. And that leaves us with the final thought. The conversation is over about if AI is going to change your work. That ship has sailed. The real question, the one that puts all the power back in your hands, is this. What will you choose to amplify?